Hey everybody, I'm Maya Bond, the CEO of the Tennessee Charter School Center. We had an amazing year working hard on your behalf. We had our first charter school conference, almost 200 people in attendance. We got over $6 million facilities funding. There's lots to tell. Let me let the team tell you more about it.
When it comes to state policy, we had a great year. Some of the highlights are making sure for the second year in a row that there was an appropriation of $6 million to the Charter School Facilities Fund to help make a difference in buildings across the state. A second win is legislation that was passed to ensure that charter school students with eligible special needs costs will be included in requests for reimbursement from the state reimbursement fund for high-cost special ed needs.
TCSC's had some great successes with regards to facilities this year. We were awarded a national dissemination grant in conjunction with the National Alliance to replicate the great work we've done in Tennessee, hopefully across the country, to be in 15 states in the next 3 years. Additionally, over the last 18 months, we've been able to provide $115 million in resources, whether it's through technical assistance, support, credit enhancements, or state funds.
Our state conference reached over 50% of the entire sector statewide, therefore impacting 11,000 students across the state with best practices and collaboration among school leaders. Coupled with the Charter Champion Awards, we're able to recognize 5 charter champions for their advocacy or programmatic work for the charter sector throughout Tennessee.
This year I had the opportunity to visit a number of charter schools across the state of Tennessee where I worked with school leaders from principals up to CEOs and really trying to find ways to understand their wants and needs, and afterwards bridge the gap between opportunities and resources for them.
We launched our annual impact report coupled with our Day on the Hill event. The annual impact report had data that was collected from the Tennessee Department of Education. It highlighted the successes of the schools, not only academically, but how those schools are impacting the student as a whole.
We have collaborated with coalition members, community stakeholders, the Achievement School District, also leaders from the Shelby County School District to create a unified enrollment task force.
I told you we got a lot done this year, and we couldn't have done it without your help. I cannot wait to see what comes in 2019, so check us out next year.